Yeah, that's probably the second best one.
Oh no,
my
that's
God.
not.
I'm covering this because it gives me a camel toe.
I brought her coffee to bed.
It's not how you start, it's how you finish.
I ain't finished yet.
You're finished.
Are you ready? You guys look so mad. Hi guys, so I'm here with my mom and dad. They just got in a fight, they're kind of grumpy.
I'm not Jake.
We're now gonna be trying on scandalous Halloween costumes and my parents are gonna rate them and they're gonna guess if they're cheap versus expensive. I saw a whole bunch of people do this video with their boyfriends, but I don't have a boyfriend, so my parents are here. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. And thumbs this video up if you guys want more videos with my parents. I'm gonna change into the first outfit.
You know we're back in the days when costumes were cool? That was the best. You don't remember. Like a tree.
I sound like a tree.
You hear that?
What does it say, Nico?
Oh, Poppy.
It says what?
Pocky.
No, I said Poppy.
Oh.
It says Poppy. This is the first one, and I had to tie it to make it tighter because it's too big. Nico, close your eyes for a second. I'm gonna show the camera. Yeah, it's too big, so I had to tie it in a knot in the back. This is the first one.
Can I look?
Yeah.
Poppy, what the no? No.
What do you think? Do you like it?
No, I didn't.
There was another one that said Daddy on it.
Oh,
I thought
no.
this was
Oh,
yeah, I thought this one was a little bit better.
Poppy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 5 because I haven't seen anything else yet.
I'm gonna give it a 4. Not a
4.
Yeah.
You don't like it, Nico?
It's
A
basic.
2.
A 2?
Yes.
It's kind of basic, huh?
Horrible, yes.
It's like the stereotypical go-to Halloween rah-rah.
Cheap or expensive?
Well, I hope it was cheap because it's not worth it.
It's horrible and it's basic.
I say under 20.
It was $40.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm the winner.
Well, these are $25 probably.
That is so cute.
What am I?
You're a
Looks like a
mummy.
mummy.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you're a mummy.
Cool.
I love it.
I know. I actually like this. I kind of want to. Mom.
I just want to see it.
I don't want to see what's going on
I
back
just
there.
want to see.
No.
Oh, she got cheeks.
Was it PG-13 back there?
It's rated R. No, I think it's R. I
rated R.
I really love
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
I do
That's
too.
the best one so far. I give that, let's see, 7.
Why do I look so dark?
That's my side.
Oh my god.
I would say I'm gonna give that like an 8 or a 9.
I say 7.
7?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it like an 8 or a 9.
Wow. This was
Wow.
cheap or expensive?
I think it was
Less than $30.
$39.99.
I'm going.
No.
37.82.
$37.83.
$60.
I was gonna say $52.
I'm not sure that I'm cool with the price, just because I don't feel like it's that much. Like for what?
You know how you get all clumsy? Would that last the night?
No.
You think?
Probably.
No, this would all be all
I know.
ripped off.
It had like spray tan all over it.
This is how some of her friends look like after a rave.
Let's take a thumbnail.
Whoa.
Okay, we're done.
It's overwhelming.
My brother just said this is overwhelming. So this is the next one.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Why?
I like it. It's
I like
okay.
it.
Oh, you guys don't like it?
No, I like it. You wouldn't wear your bra with it, right?
No, I just. It was
Don't-
too
I don't
much.
want to pop anything out.
I like it, but you know, if I have to compare it to the last outfit,
I give that a 6.
Yeah,
No, I give it
I give it
5
like
and a half.
I give it a 6.
Do you think this was cheap or expensive?
I'd say $75.
That's a lot.
I would say like $50.
I forgot how much it was, but I'll put. Did you just fart?
No, I dropped
Oh, why is she looking at me?
I forgot how much it was, but I'll put it right here. I think it was like average. Okay. Next one.
Why is Dad looking at me?
My ears.
Dad thinks he's a playboy.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I just have to wear pasties,
Yeah.
but I don't have them here right now.
I like it.
I like it.
I like it.
My demo.
That's, I think, the second best.
I
Really?
agree.
Yep.
I feel
agree.
like I need to get it tighter because I don't like.
No,
Yeah, you get all the wrinkles out. 6.95.
6.5.
And my little brother gives me a 10, so.
No, that's a 9.
Oh, 9. I got too confident.
She was like, yeah, that's me, I'm a 10.
Okay, do you think this is expensive or cheap?
Expensive.
$32.85.
So I got these like individually. This dress was 15. These were like 5 and these were 5.
He's like spreading his legs everywhere and just...
Nico, don't look. Okay.
I'm scared.
I don't think I like this one.
Are you
Why do I see a tail?
I don't know.
She's got a tail.
Okay, you can look.
I like that.
Really?
That's probably the second best one.
What?
It reminds me of Wizard of Oz.
Yeah, that's probably the second best one.
Oh, no,
my
that's not.
gosh.
She got her butt hanging
Oh,
out.
Yeah, that's not.
It doesn't even look like a thong. It looks like there's nothing. Just put the tail down the crack.
Okay, yeah.
There we go.
There's really
Hold that, please.
What do you guys rate this one?
I like it.
6.85.
I do a 7 on this one.
Expensive or cheap?
$52.87.
$40.
I'll put the price right here. So
I'll put the price right here, or right here, or right here.
Mom for sure will like
I'm scared.
okay, you can look. I'm covering this because it gives me a camel toe.
That's Nico's restaurant.
I like it.
Expensive or cheap? Alright.
I'd say $29.84. I give it a 6.
I give it a 7 only because I love Hooters wings. So.
I just wish I gave myself more room when I did 7 on the mummy. I should have did a 9.
9. Mm-hmm.
You think it's expensive or cheap?
$29.85.
I say $29.99.
This one was 50.
What?
Aww.
Fiona.
Fiona. What
Yeah,
am
from
I?
Shrek.
No, you're an elf.
I'm a scarecrow.
That's not a
That's
scarecrow.
not a scarecrow. Looks like a goddamn elf.
I was thinking Fiona.
I was thinking, sweet, it's about Christmas time.
I think this one is the most like covered up one.
We haven't seen the back. I got a 5.
He thinks that Sarai looks like that.
Yeah.
No, the
Wow. Here's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say it's a 4 because I couldn't even figure out what it was, and that is not a cute like scarecrow thing.
How much do you think it was?
Well,
$45.83.
I'm gonna guess a penny. No, I'm gonna say $19.99.
$41.
That was $41
said
too
45.
expensive.
I said 45.80 something.
You were over, so you busted.
You think it's ugly?
Yeah.
The top does not fit.
Oh, if it fit.
I really breathe in it, to be honest. I feel like they hate it.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know. I give it a 4.
Here's the thing. I love boxing.
In the picture, this looked way more scandalous. It does not look scandalous to me.
What is it?
I don't know.
It looks like what's a woman that's a wizard? Not a witch, but a sorcerer.
A sorcerer.
A sorcerer.
A sorceress.
Gosh.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
You're not a fan?
Nah.
Do you think it was expensive or cheap?
I really hope it wasn't expensive because it's not worth a dime. So,
$62.85.
$54.99.
$80.
Shut the front door, ding!
I was thinking that was probably
I
the
know.
most expensive one.
Okay,
God.
you guys seriously.
It's not worth it, to be
Don't
honest.
order this.
Everything is so like fitted weird. In the picture, I thought it was gonna be so cute, but it's just like it doesn't work.
Just so you know, it's really ugly.
Yeah, it's not cute.
What?
Okay, this is the last one. Oh, you don't like it?
No.
That's dumb.
Why is it dumb?
Just
Too
reminds
plain.
me of,
Too plain.
it's just kind of there. It's like, oh, let me grab some material, tie it around my shoulder.
Oh.
Daddy said to me earlier, he was like, babe, you want a bone?
I know.
Disgusting. What am I?
You're
Cave girl.
You're like the
Cave
Flintstones.
girl.
You're Pebbles.
Yeah.
You're Pebbles,
I
right?
am Pebbles.
Give it a 5.
5?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, do you think it was expensive or cheap?
$29.85.
$14.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Cheap.
Oh, well then that's good for that.
Yeah.
Does it include the bone too?
Yes. I think the bone was like $4.
That's a cheap bone.
Comment below letting me know which costume you guys like the most and which one you guys hate the most. Which one do you guys hate the most?
The sorcerer.
The sorcerer
whatever it
one,
is.
yeah. That's a
I
sorcerer.
like sorcerers.
Sorcerer.
Sorcerers.
I said sorcerers.
Thumbs this video up if you guys want more videos with my parents, and we will do that.
Who said? Who said we're gonna do that?
Subscribe.
Turn on your post notifications and subscribe below. Video.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. 3, 2, 1.
Bye guys.
Say